Hello, everyone. When using ChatGPT search or Perplexity, do you feel these AI search engines are powerful yet slow? However, their official extensions replace the default engine, forcing us to switch between traditional engines like Google and AI search engines, which is really annoying. Today, I'm introducing the Smart Search extension. It can automatically route your query to the most suitable search engine. Let's take a look at how to use this extension. You can install this extension from the Chrome Web Store. After installing, open the settings page and you'll see two routing methods. One based on query length and one triggered by a keyword prefix. First, let's set the default search engine. Here, I'll choose Google. Then, let's set the search engine for long queries. The default length threshold is 20. But I'll change it to 5 for testing. For the AI search engine, I'll select Perplexity. When the query length exceeds 5 words, Perplexity will be used automatically. Finally, let's set the keyword prefix triggers. For ChatGPT search, I set Chat and Explain. For Perplexity, I set P and PPLX. For Google, I set G. For Bing, I set B. When a matching prefix is detected in the query, the corresponding search engine will be selected automatically. Now, let's see how it works. First, input a query with only 2 words. This will automatically use the default search engine, which is Google. Next, input a long query. This will automatically use the AI search engine, Perplexity. Now, input a query starting with chat. This will automatically use the ChatGPT search. Next, input a query starting with B. This will automatically use the Bing search. Then, input a query starting with G. This will automatically use Google. Finally, input a query starting with P. This will automatically use Perplexity. That's all for the Smart Search extension. It's very convenient, fully open source, and free. I hope this extension helps you.